Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a day in the life and a full day of eating. We have a lot to go over. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good Tuesday. We're going to start with some food, and then we're going to get into all the goodies, especially telling you guys about these DIY eyelash extensions that I just discovered and I am obsessed with. So much to share. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, as it just supports the channel, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. First things first, I always start my day with One Up Nutrition greens and reds. So this is the pineapple flavor. Honestly, I always just go between the pineapple and the green apple flavor now. I drank the original for years, and it's just like unflavored, tastes like greens, and this stuff is just so much better. If we can have some flavor for the greens, why the heck not? So this is gonna kickstart my digestion. It's a probiotic for the gut, helps to alkaline the body. Alkalize? I haven't had my coffee yet. And honestly, my gut has just never felt better ever since I started taking this. So I always have it on an empty stomach, I'm storing my words, before coffee. So let's get it down so that we can have coffee. Sometimes it's like my mouth has a brain of its own, because my brain and my mouth don't translate properly, but that doesn't matter because you guys, I have somebody super cute to show you. She just got a haircut. Oh my gosh, sit please. Sit on your bum. You look so beautiful. Okay, she kind of looks like a little mouse right now, but I swear she looks like a little teddy bear. She just got a haircut yesterday at Posh Dog Spa. They're really good here. And look how stinking cute she looks. You're so pretty. A couple hours later, I've been on my phone talking to clients. I've got my Instagram post up, drinking my coffee, and I'm about to sit down for breakfast. We are right in here. There we go. So I'm gonna eat my regular breakfast for meal number 1. And if you guys are not new here, you know that I love to have my breakfast twice because it's the best meal ever. But for the second breakfast, I'm actually gonna switch up the oats. I'm gonna be trying a new recipe. Haven't made it yet, but I feel like how could this go wrong? We're gonna be making carrot cake oats. So I'm excited. I freaking love carrot cake. Like, it's gonna be my wedding cake. It's always my birthday cake. It's the only cake I like. So yeah, wish me luck. But starting off with the regular breakfast, which is egg whites, 1 full egg here. And oats number 1, the OG. We have some vanilla stevia in there, some cinnamon, chia seeds, nut and seed butter, frozen berry blend, and bee pollen. And I like to eat my oats with the tiniest little spoons so that they last longer. So, bon appetit. Just got back from the grocery store. It was just a super quick trip. I needed to get some unsweetened applesauce for the Carrot Cake Oatmeal Bake. So I got these. They're gonna be perfect for baking. Just use one at a time. Got more nutritional yeast. I like putting this on my egg whites. It just makes them nice and cheesy, gives them some flavor. I could eat this stuff by the spoonful. And then this GT's Puree Root kombucha. It actually tastes like root beer. So I'll have that later today. It is super good. And then I love this brand of sauces. I always have the soy sauce substitute. So I got the chili garlic. This will be really good on fish, like tuna especially. So picked up a couple things. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be prepping the oatmeal bake right now because I'm gonna start working out, and then that way I can just throw it in the oven to bake about 35 minutes before I am done. So I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients that is in it. I always modify recipes that I find online. So this is Annie's Nums. Thank you, Annie, for this rough recipe that I'm following. And then I'm just gonna kind of switch it up. I'll show you guys what I do differently. So the first ingredient that we need, of course, is quick oats. So oatmeal here. Then I have some nutmeg, some ginger, cinnamon, 1 full egg. I am adding in some applesauce. This is unsweetened applesauce instead of agave nectar. Then I have some baking powder and some carrots. So what I did here was just throw a bunch of baby carrots in my mini food processor, and it worked perfectly. Look at all that fresh. Wow, that color. I love carrots. I love air fried carrots, roasted carrots. I even love steamed carrots. I love raw carrots. I love carrots. And then we're also going to have some vanilla extract. So basically just gonna put this all into the bowl and then into a pan. I'll show you guys anyways. I like easy recipes, ones that you cannot mess up. Okay, so we're also gonna be using some almond milk. That is gonna be my milk of choice. But starting off, we're going to do 2.5 cups of Quick Oats. So this is a half a cup each. Next I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next we're gonna add our grated carrots. So this is 3/4 of a cup, so I'm just gonna do that and a little bit extra. Then I'm going to be using my vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons here. Applesauce as our sweetener. It's also just gonna help it be nice and moist. And then an egg. I'm gonna be using some grapeseed oil, so use your oil of choice. And there we go. So I'm gonna start working out now, and then I'm gonna put this in the oven about 35 minutes before I'm done, and it's gonna be nice and fresh, and oh my gosh, it's gonna make the house smell so good. This smells amazing, you guys.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just be.
Almost finished my workout now, and it's time to put the Carrot Cake Oatmeal Bake, say that 8 times fast, in the oven. So I'm gonna be baking it on 350 Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna watch it, make sure that it doesn't get too overcooked because we don't want it to be hard and dry. I just want it to be golden. So 35 to 40 minutes is going to be the sweet spot. My house is going to smell amazing, and by the time I'm done my workout, I'm gonna have something good to eat. You guys could also put some protein powder in this if you wanted to have a little bit of protein in it, but I want to eat my egg whites on the side. Guys, oh, outfit of the day, gotta show you. The new Choreoactive Serenity. This is sky blue in the Zen sports bra and Serenity leggings. Just did a booty workout. Okay, let's put it in the oven. There is the final product. I just cut up the pan into 6. You guys, it's steaming. I had to reheat it in the microwave, but it's a really good video effect here. Ooh, it's just so good. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm gonna put some berries on top. I'll show you guys it once it's all decked out. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That looks so good. Daniel gets 2. Oh, I wish. Fresh faced, just got out of the shower, and I'm here to tell you about these lashes. The best part is I did them myself at home. Okay, hold up. I used to get eyelash extensions 9 years ago, okay? 9 years, that's a long time. And then I had an allergic reaction to them. My eyes were swollen shut to the size of golf balls. It was disgusting. My eyelids were dried, it cracked, and yeah, that didn't end so pretty. Sad because I just love easy upkeep. I don't have anything else on my face right now except for my tattooed eyebrows and lash extensions and then some shimmer lip chat. That's what I like. I love a bold lash. So mascara is the other option, but I just didn't want to do it every day. So I was like, should I try lash extensions again? Well, I'm really glad I didn't because I decided to try this first. My client showed up pulling through and she was like, have you tried Lashify? And I was like, what the heck is Lashify? It's do-it-yourself lash extensions, you guys, and I am so excited about this. It's honestly like a new little hobby, okay? So I'm just telling you guys about this. I paid for this with my own money. If you want to hear about lash extensions, then keep listening. But if you don't, then just fast forward. Okay, so Lashify. There is no going to an appointment, you know, booking that out of your day, an hour, however long it takes. I know that lash extensions are like $200 for a full set, and then the fills are about $80 every 2-3 weeks, and then you're gonna wanna go every 2 weeks because you like the way that it looks. It's not cheap. Well, I decided that I was gonna buy $200 worth of Lashify for my first time. The control kit that you need, I think it's like $150, and that's what you need basically to get set up. It comes with like the glues and the little thingamajigs that you need to like press and hold and apply, and you guys gotta look it up. I'm just here to tell you about my experience. So I spent the same amount of money on a full set of lashes on Lashify, and I've done 2 sets so far, and I am so excited. So these do-it-yourself lashes, they took me about 20 minutes. If you know how to put on lash strips, then it will be a lot easier for you. You'll get the hang of it. 20 minutes apparently is like a little bit slow. The girls in the Facebook group say they can do it in like 10. So they can last anywhere from 2 to 14 days, which is super exciting. I was a newbie. I've done 1 set already. They only lasted 2 days. This is my 2nd set. It's not my perfect lash yet. I still think it's a little bit long, but I'm having fun trying different styles. And I'm excited to see how long this set lasts. So I know that I did a better job at application this time, and they're still holding strong. So I'll keep you guys posted, but I wanted to share that with you about Lashify because this is literally like too good to be true. I didn't even know it existed, and I don't know how, because it's wicked. You can put on a fresh set yourself. You don't have to go anywhere. Like, I'm all about that easy upkeep lifestyle, okay? And they look really pretty. They look exactly like lash extensions. The best part is that these are supposed to be really weightless. So honestly, like, I can't even really feel them. And it is super easy to take off as well because they have their own makeup removers, and I was really impressed with just putting it on a cotton pad and just like wiping down. They just easily came off and didn't rip out any of my eyelashes. So this is only week 2, kinda, of me using Lashify, so I will definitely keep you guys posted, but it was too good to keep to myself, so I wanted to share with you. Still new here. If you have any tips, tricks, I just ordered a couple more things like the bondage and the night bond and all that stuff to make them stay a little bit longer, but I'm really excited about this, you guys. Lashes, and they're not that expensive either. So that's the deal with these little things, and I'm gonna keep the second thing that I had to say to you guys, wedding related, to a separate video because we have a wedding series, so why would I tell you here? I almost forgot about that. That's all. I'm going to work for a little bit, and then I will see you guys at our next meal.
2 hours later.
Lunch is ready, and it looks so damn good. We have my chef fiance in the kitchen, so we are eating good. This is some Cajun tuna steak. Yeah, that's what it would be called. It's Cajun seasoning and the ahi tuna steaks from Costco, and then we pan fry it. We like it medium rare. Then we have a couple leftover prawns from last night's dinner, throwing it in here to make it a restaurant grade lunch. Air fried asparagus, and then some brown rice with the coconut soy sauce. So it looks so delish. For dinner, we are having my favorite protein. It is a like sweet and smoked mustard with sriracha trout. So good. These are the 2 things that we put on it. We do half and half. We get that mustard from Whole Foods, and then the OG sriracha. Mix it together, slather it on top, and cook it on a super hot cast iron skillet. We have quite a bit going on in the kitchen right now. We are prepping our daily green smoothie. I have a full video on what is in this smoothie, exactly how to make it. It's super simple. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it up here. We actually started splitting this smoothie, same one, into 4. Before we were just doing 2. So this is going to last us 2 days, which is awesome, so you don't have to do the prep as much. So just getting that ready for tomorrow with the best key lime avocado vegan protein. It's so light and refreshing. I always opt for this over vanilla. I'll show you guys dinner. And there it is. We have the sweet and smoky sriracha trout, air fried asparagus. There was no green beans when we went to Costco, so we just got extra asparagus. Nothing wrong with that. We love it. And then some brown rice, again with the soy sauce. And I also have some kombucha on the side in a champagne flute because that is romantic and elegant AF.